Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in your Wish app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wish app. So once you open your Wish app, all you need to do is simply type in the email address or phone number, create your account, or you can even continue with Facebook or Google. So once you type in your email address or phone number, hit the continue button and you will end up in this page to create an account. So now type in the number of your country or your email address and type in the name and password for your account. So once you fill up all these necessary credentials, all you need to do now is simply tap on the verify your phone number option. So once you type in the code number sent to the registered number, you can get your account created on Wish app. So now you will get logged into your account and you can enjoy the shopping in your Wish account as per your liking. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.